So Birdie was here. They kept coming, like showing me here, this little passageway here. I don't know why, but there's a feather right there. So I don't know. Protection, underpass, hidden pathway. I don't freaking know. Keep the path you're on hidden in order to protect it or something like that. Yeah, that's what I said today. When they ask me questions, blah blah blah, I'm like, no, nothing. You keep it short as fuck. What you do for work? None of your business. What you do? You with somebody? No. Da-da. Like, just I'm not trying to open up. Nah. And we're here to pay our respects, and that's it. And go our separate ways. That's how I freaking feel.